Hi everyone, thank you for joining us here at Architectural Ceramics for your tile stream. This is your Tile Talk with Ginny. I'm here to talk to you guys today about wood looking porcelain. There's been a lot of questions there, I have a lot of answers, and there is so many looks I've got to talk about. So I hope you're ready, buckle up. So tile, when wood look porcelains really got on the scene probably about 10-15 years ago, they came in this size. It would be hard to miss. You would see these, they're 6 inches by 24 inches. How they started, they literally just took the 12 by 24 tiles that were kind of becoming popular, ripped them in half, and gave you this wood plank look. Very smooth, very consistent, very boring, but it worked, you know, it got us started. And then it kind of opened up to everything that we have going on today. So, starting here at this table, I have this awesome, I think this is 10 inches by 48 inches. I am obsessed with this tile. It is so cool. This is what we call diesel combustion. It is awesome. So what they did, they kind of gave us a bit of a reclaimed look. Think Joanna Gaines. Painted barn floor that has been distressed over the years, and so you're seeing the paint or the wood come through, or you're seeing the distressed edges. Beige, black, and then super black. So it's very edgy, very cool. Check out our website, Diesel Combustion, if you really want to see the install photos, because these tiles don't do them justice. Seeing them installed, seeing them fully done, so stinking cool. It can be a rustic feel, or if you run them stacked on a wall, they can become super modern, super edgy. Very, very cool. So you're gonna watch Kristen go by my desk real quick. Say hi, Kristen. Awesome. Come by Architectural Ceramics in Rockville and you can check her out. She's awesome. So, my next one that I have here, these two here actually are both from our Enigma series. Check out Enigma on our website. You have the contrasting white and black. Super modern, super cool. What we have on this tile, you're seeing a real like raw wood sawn, wood hewn, wood sawn cut. There goes my English for the day. We're done. But you can see how they have like the raw cuts from a saw going across here. So you have a really, really cool texture to the tile. And again, in the modern black and white, alternatively, in the same series is this one. You're getting it in an oak and a walnut, and they kind of gave it like a real sheen, almost as if you had like a high polish on the floor, which I've only seen like a high glaze polish on a tile, a wood-looking tile before. You've probably seen it in our showrooms. But this one, again, really gives you that waxed feel. Very, very cool. 8 by 48. You're going to see a lot of this size. This is very, very popular size right now. Larger format, wide plank. You're seeing it in the real hardwood as well. We're just now doing it in tile, so you don't have to worry about scratching, fading, chipping, warping. Install it correctly and you'll be golden. Installing it correctly, which means installing it at least by thirds. Anytime I have someone trying to install hardwood, I say install it like you would real hardwood. Offset, very regular. Don't set them by half, because anytime you have a large format tile, longer than 24 inches, there's gonna be warpage. It's not a fault of the tile. It's just because of how it's baked and because of the length of it. There's gonna be some bit of warpage. So if you were to put these half by half at these seams, you would see lippage or some little like rise in this tile, which that's gonna cause tripping, but you're gonna see it and you're not gonna like it, and you're gonna tell me, Ginny, this is a horrible tile, what have you sold me? It's not a horrible tile. It's just normal to large format tiles. Totally normal. Install it irregular, quarter by quarters. We cut the tile in 4 and install them offset that way, or by thirds. Or again, like you would real hardwood where they're totally irregular, which makes it so much more beautiful. Open up all the boxes, blend them up, and then have your guy install them. That's the way. Cool. So then, this is one of my favorites. As I break my display again. So this is, now I've totally forgotten the name. Here, Copper Row. I'm obsessed with the Copper Row series. You'd think I'd remember it. Copper Row is gonna be more of like a clean looking hardwood. This color in particular is called Plátano. It is beautiful, nice, rich wood brown, almost mahogany, none of the red notes, but a really nice chocolatey brown. To me, it's so beautiful. And again, very consistent in color. You're not gonna see a lot of knots in the hardwood, like knots like you would see in real hardwood. Some people really want that. That's great. I didn't have these options for you. Copper roll also comes in a few colors, by the way, and it comes in a few shapes. I'm not going to jump there yet, but I have something more for you. These are 6 by 36 inch planks. These were also very popular at the time. Again, these are just newer format, but this is still high in demand. We're using it all the time. But these, you're going to see for a time there, probably about the last 5 years, you've seen a lot of gray in the porcelains. A lot of gray in the wood looks. People were wanting all that gray, gray, gray. Give me more gray. Okay, we're over gray. It's still there, but we're now bringing in the browns. The browns are coming back. The browns and the beiges, the warm tones. You can still keep the grays. We're still good. Remember, moving forward, gray and beige, those are going to be our neutrals. So either way, but again, you're going to see in our offerings a lot more browns because for a while we were so saturated with all the gray options. Very cool, very great, but browns are coming back. They're going to be beautiful. But again, in these, you're going to see more movement and you're going to see more knots in the wood. So you have more of that natural look. A lot of people want that. It's absolutely beautiful. So we do have that offering, or your rustic options here. So really, if you give me a photo of a wood that you've seen online, show it to me. I bet you anything we have that option in porcelain where, again, you don't have to worry about water damage because, again, you're putting it in kitchens, laundry rooms, foyers, anywhere, bathrooms, but you don't have to worry about water damage. That's why I really love this. Throw in some underfloor heating and you'll be golden. We'll talk about that on another day though. Underfloor heating. All right. I'm gonna guess this one wrong. This tile is meant to give you the ancient Japanese way of treating wood, where they take and burn the surface of the wood, and it really is good for waterproofing. They then put these planks on the outside of houses, outside of boats, but now this has become a very popular look. So it's very cool. We have it in the modern black and white, so it's really cool. You could do both in the same bath, do one or the other, very nice contrasting. But again, it's really just that ancient technique of wood burning where it seals in the pores, it won't let in bugs and all this good stuff. So it's just giving us that look. Imagine a really cool a wall behind a vanity sink. How much drama could this give you? Again, where I like doing the black and white spaces, very edgy, very spiffy, very cool. It's just something different, food for thought. And no, it's a smaller plank, but it's really cool, bite size, having that on the wall, very modern. So I was talking about the copper row a minute ago. The copper row also comes in an 8 by 8 square. I have 4 pieces laid out for you here because it shows the variation of the tile. And again, this won't do it justice. Totally go to the website, check out copper row on our website, and you can see installation photos of this. It then also comes in 2 other colors. So I've done this in a bathroom, absolutely beautiful. Imagine that with like a dark hunter green accent wall, some really nice light white tiles in the shower walls. It makes for a really cool man's bathroom, or also there in the lighter color. So we can totally play. But why I'm showing you the squares is I want you to know that square or rectangle planks, they're not the only way to go with the hardwood look. You can then also play with shapes. Like here we have diamond pieces done in a few different colors. So you can absolutely play, and what I love about these boards, I can flip them over. None of these are the wood installation, but you can see a few installations with these diamonds and how you can play with the patterns. And you can integrate them with pops of white if you wanted. And again, kind of going more modern, but here's the 3 wood colors. And this, again, just getting very, very creative. Feel free to check out their website. I am absolutely obsessed with everything that they do. If you want to know more, ask Virginia at Architectural Ceramics. I will tell you all about it. So, next. Not last, next. So, and again, because we're not just doing the regular planks, we can do really, really cool patterns. This is our century wood. It's cut from a 32 by 32 inch sample, and it's actually a really gorgeous pattern. Again, this sample doesn't do it justice, but I had to give you a taste that we can get really creative with how we do the hardwood floors. We have some really great displays here in our showroom as well. So come check it out. And then next, this beautiful piece. Oh my God. This guy, he comes, this is the Corey series, Corey Diagonal specifically. This is a cut piece from a 2 foot by 4 foot tile. My cousin Carla and Ramon, what's up, Carla and Ramon, I see you. they actually have this installed as an accent wall in their house behind the TV. So as you walk into their space, it's this great bold wall. I've done it in a small bathroom on the floor where it just gave really cool drama. I did it in the blue. The blue is magnificent. The white is beautiful if you want more of like a subtle feel. Super cool, super edgy. So planks aren't the only way that you can play with hardwood looking tiles. Also, now last and final, this guy here. So we can take these tiles in this 2cm thick format. I can put this outside around your pool. Say you want to make a patio in this wood plank look. No, the lines aren't going to line up. But again, if you want to check out, this is the Frontier series. If you check out our website, Frontier, you can see some really great installation photos. Not just the gray, the browns, several shades of brown. And I can go on and on about that exterior stuff, but we can have a lot of fun with this. This is absolutely beautiful and slip resistance. And again, we're not worried about it ever chipping. Remember, I mean, if you have real hardwood like on a deck outside, I mean, over the years it's going to splinter unless you get Tyvek, no, Trek, whatever. I don't do that. But I know that you can get really cool stuff for outside too. However, porcelain version, I can take care of you there. So let me know. That is it for Tile Talk with Ginny. Those are hardwood looks. Have a great day.